between, in the red corner, Makoto Uehara, taking on recover there for Uehara. Wow. I'm going to go in there and check to make sure he's okay.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. في مقطع جديد مرحبا بالجميع في بوكسينج بالعربي، والذي من خلاله سنتابع نزال رائع قدمه البطل المغربي بوبكار البكوري ضد الياباني ماكوتو أوهارا. نزال سينتهي في ثواني معدودة، نزال رائع ينتهي بكاو رائعة، فوز ممتع للجميع، ولا تنسونا بالمتابعة والمشاركة، وتحية للجميع وشكرا.
Let's get this action started. I'm Brian.
I'm Phil. Ooh, so it should be an interesting battle here.
That's right.
The quarterfinal.
We've
the
got
last quarterfinal tonight, right? Yeah.
Yes, and we've got Makoto Uehara here, who's been a heavyweight fighter, an ace here in Japan for a long time, making the move down here for the cruiserweight tournament, dropping a little weight. Spent about a month training in Holland at Mike's gym to prepare for this fight.
Wow.
Saying here, if he doesn't get the win in this tournament, he's going to retire.
Wow, 33. He's fairly young.
Big punches here from Uehara.
Curry fighting from Morocco, is that correct?
Yes, I think Moroccan descent, but also another Dutch.
Oh, Dutch fighter as well.
Oof! Wow!
Wow.
Sticking a pinpoint jab. Holy cow! I didn't see that coming. I don't think Uehara did either.
No, he did not.
What a sharp shot there! Like a jab. Just
Yeah, it was a jab.
inside.
It was a step. He stepped in.
Ooh! And not enough time to recover there for Uehara.
Wow.
Well, we're gonna go in there and check to make sure he's okay. Big first round win here.
And Makoto was no pushover either, so
From
that was some
Bubakar.
power. That was some power in those punches.
Wow, yeah. Really sharp fighting. Bubakar also taking this fight here on 2 weeks' notice.
Oh, wow.
Impressive quarterfinal win there for him. Just unfortunate that Uehara there had to be on the receiving end of that shot. He did everything he could to prepare for this match, but that's the game. Ooh. Coming off the ropes a little bit to land his own shot. Bubakar just getting underneath and sticking it. Just, wow, really clean technique. Dropping the head, sneaking in.
Wow.
Move off the ropes, adding some impact on the blow there. And then finishing with another stiff jab.
Same punch.
Stiff shots from both guys,
Yeah.
and Bubakar's just landing the cleanest. But no shame there. They both give it their all. That is how it goes.
مشاهدينا الكرام ومتابعي قناة بوكسينج عربي، نشكركم على المشاهدة والمتابعة، ونلتقي في مقطع آخر إن شاء الله تعالى. فلا تنسونا بمشاركة المقطع مع الأصدقاء وفي صفحتكم، وشكرا. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. نتمنى قد استمتعتم بهذا النزال الرائع. إن شاء الله هذه القناة ستكون مخصصة بأبطال المغاربة داخل المغرب وخارج المغرب، وكذلك الأبطال العرب. إن شاء الله ادعمونا بلايك ومشاركة في القناة حتى يصلكم كل جديد، ونلتقي في مقطع آخر إن شاء الله تعالى.